Hello, welcome to Guru Helps. In this video, you will learn more about operators in C programming languages. You may know that the C programming language has a lot of, built-in operators that perform various tasks as per need of the program. It has many operators that almost perform all types of operations which are really useful and can be used to perform every operation. These operators basically take part in a program for manipulating data and variables. After doing so, it is formed as a part of the mathematical condition or logical expressions. Operators are, basically pillars or foundation of programming language and including C programming language. It is also called it is also called It is also called operators are a basic pillar or foundations of programming language, including C programming. It is also called the symbol that tells the compiler to perform a specific mathematical or logical task by operands. For example, you can see here that x is equal to a plus b is an equation where the value of x is sum of a and b. Or we can say that the value of x is addition of a and b. Here, x, a, and b are variables or operands, but plus or equal are operators that operate to execute or assign to get value of x. There are 8 different kinds of operators in C programming. Those are arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, bitwise, increment, decrement, conditional, and special. Let's learn each of them. Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic or mathematical operations on operands such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. on numerical values, constants, or variables. Here, we can see in the example that A and B operands are operated by 5 operators such as plus, minus, multiplication, division, and so on. If A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 10, in this condition, we need to apply, if we apply plus or addition part operator to get the sum of value of them, the variable a and b, by writing a plus b, the final value will be 10. This means plus is operating to operands called a and b to get their sum value. Next, assignment operators are used to assign the values for the variables for or operands. And most common operator is equal. For example, if a is equal to 2 and b equal to 3, in this condition, if we assign a plus or equal b, that means it will execute the outcome as a is equal to a plus 1 b, which will be 5. So in the next here, you can see relational operators. Relational operators are used for the comparison of the values of two operands. These operators are equal, less than equal, greater than equal, etc. For example, if a is equal to 3, b equal to 5, in this condition, if a is less than 5, assign, this operator here is to check if a is smaller than b. Logical operators are used to combine two or more conditions to complement the evaluation of original condition in the consideration. Then the result will be out as Boolean value, either true or false. For example, if a is equal to 5 and b equal to 5 and c equal to 10, then if we assign result is equal to a equal b, and C greater than B, then it will check the condition and the result will be out accordingly. In this case, the Boolean value or outcome is true because C is greater than B, whereas A equal to B equal to B. That's true, right? So special operators are used to get the value of the variable that the pointer is pointing to. For example, you can see here that integer point is named as q, where q value is given 10. And if we request to display the address of q the time at the time q value will be printed out as 10 because the addresses of q actually showing 10. Next, increment operators. Increment operators are used to increasing the value of variables by one increment. In example here, you can see that if integer I is equal to 1, while I is equal to less than 5, we can assign increment operator if we like to print the values increment by 1. In this case, the result will be 1, 2, 3, 4 will be printed out. This operator can be written as I++ in C programming. Next, decrement operators are used to decrease the value of the variable by 1. It is exactly opposite meaning of the increment operator, and it does the opposite work as increment operators does. This operator can be written as I minus minus. So that as conclusion, we can say that the operator in C programming sends the entire code or program to the compiler, while compiler scans the entire program sent by operator and translate it as a while program into the machine code so that the computer easily understand the machine code and compute as we assign using operators. I hope this video helped you to understand operators in C programming. See you in the next videos. Thanks for watching.